Ano yung hindi alternative sa time deposit? So yun nga, naging effective na yung 20% na tax sa mga deposits, sa mga time deposits na 5 years and up, and sa mga FCDUs such as dollars, yuans, yen, euro. So 20% na din yung tax. So ngayon, since masakit yung 20% na tax, ano yung alternative natin? Marami actually pwedeng maging alternative. Let's explore that in another video. In this video, ano yung hindi alternative sa time deposit? And what is not an alternative to time deposit is yung mga insurance product na may yearly payout until age 100. Kahit guaranteed ba yung payout, because it's an insurance product, it will take time for the cash surrender value to grow. And if you will withdraw the plan, if you will surrender the plan, let's say on the 10th year, even on the 15th year, yung cash surrender value niyan is hindi pa rin equal sa total amounts paid sa plan na yan. Because ang primary purpose talaga sa product na to is to provide protection in case something happen to us. However, ibang usapan pag yung plan nagmamature on the 20th year or at age 65. Kasi sa mga plans na to, nababawi mo yung principal mo by the time na umabot ka sa maturity, which is on the 20th year or on age 65, and effectively yung magiging rate of return mo dito nasa mga 3%. If okay ka doon, so it could be an alternative to you.